Welcome back to the channel. In this Photoshop tutorial, you will learn how to design a clean and modern corporate logo concept that fits perfectly for professional brands. Start with a square canvas and set your background to neutral colors like white or light gray. Use a list tool to create simple circular base. This will act as your design structure. With the pen tool, craft an abstract letter shape such as an S and M that feels elegant and balanced. Apply a gradient of deep blue to silver to give it strong corporate tone. Add an inner glow for subtle depth and reflections. Finally, position that logo on dark background and type the brand name using a professional font like bold. The result is clean, modern symbol that looks ready for any professional identity or presentation. Thanks for watching.